Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kathy Jarvis, and today we're going to go to the gym again. And today I'm going to do my Friday routine, which is the legs and the core. Now, if you've been following along, you know that I've done the Monday one and I've done the Wednesday one and shown you what those exercises are. This is the last of the beginning exercises that I do. I do these for anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how out of shape I am, how long it's been since I've done the last set of exercises. And I do these, like I said, about 3 to 4 weeks before I go to the intermediate exercises. So let's go to the gym and I'll show you what I'm doing. See you at the gym.
Stand with your feet hip-width apart with a stability ball between your lower back and a wall. With your hands on your hips, gently lean against the ball. Bend your knees and lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor, allowing the ball to roll down slightly. Hold for a count of 5, then push into your heels to slowly return to the start position. Before beginning the exercise, you'll need to adjust the machine. The bottom of the pad should sit just above the ankles on your lower legs, and your knees should be at about 90 degrees. Sit up straight and grip the handles at your sides. Exhale as you press your legs upward until they are almost fully extended. Make sure not to lock your knees at the top of the movement. Take a breath in and exhale as you slowly lower your legs back down. Keep your back pressed into the backrest, but make sure not to arch your back. Adjust the machine lever to fit your height and sit on the machine with your back against the back support pad. Place the back of lower leg on top of padded lever, just a few inches under the calves, and secure the lap pad against your thighs, just above the knees. Then grasp the side handles on the machine as you point your toes straight and ensure that the legs are fully straight right in front of you. This will be your starting position. As you exhale, pull the machine lever as far as possible to the back of your thighs by flexing at the knees. Keep your torso stationary at all times. Hold the contracted position for a second. Slowly return to the starting position as you breathe in. Sit with the pad held to the chest and the feet braced, and lift the loaded or selected weight by flexing the abdominals and pushing the pad toward the knees in a crunching or curling motion. Lie face down on Swiss ball with the ball positioned under your stomach. Your body should be conformed to the ball. Begin the exercise by inhaling as you raise your right leg, while simultaneously raising your left arm up. Raise leg and arm until they are in line with your spine. Pause, then exhale as you lower them back down. Repeat movement with opposite arm and leg.
Alright, we're back from the gym. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you would, please. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. Anything that you can do to help out would be appreciated. And thank you for watching. If you have any comments about exercises, do you have anything that you think would be better, or even your routine, what you use, just give me in the comments below. And remember, be good to your body, and your body will be good to you. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.